Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to send or share the HD images in WhatsApp. Okay, so let's get started.
Open your WhatsApp account, and once you open your WhatsApp account, click on the three dots which is on the top right hand side. Here you can see the three dots. Okay, just click on those three dots. So once you click on those three dots, go to the settings. So once you go to the settings, so here you can see the storage and data, network usage, auto download. Okay, so just click on that particular storage and data option. So once you click on that particular option, just try to scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the media upload quality, HD quality. So just click on that particular option. So once you click on that particular option, so here you can see media upload quality. Select the quality for the photos and the videos to be sent at in chats. So first one is standard quality and second one is the HD quality. Okay, suppose if you select the first one, that is standard quality, it is easier to send and it's very fast to send, but the quality of the image or the video will be little bit less. But if you select the second one, that is the HD quality, which is slower to send and can be 6 times larger. Okay, so that can be 6 times larger in size, but the whatever the photos or the videos you send, when you select the HD quality, the photos and the video will be having a very good clarity, and it will be a high definition uh, clarity photos or the videos. Okay, so this is how you can send the HD images or the videos in WhatsApp. Okay, so once you select that second option, just click on that save. So now whatever the photos or the videos you send, that will be in the high definition quality. Okay.
So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.